Once you finish a recording, you can scroll through the recording by simply swiping left or right. You can zoom in and out horizontally using a pinching motion with 2 fingers. This will allow you to listen and observe different lengths of recording. To zoom in or out vertically, use a similar pinching motion perpendicular to the screen. If you record multiple segments, you can move between them by scrolling all the way right to get to the next segment, or all the way left to get to the previous segment, depending on which segment you are on. Tap the segment text in the lower left and a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you can share the recorded segment, save the segment, crop, add notes, or delete a segment. Press share to share the segment with another user via a variety of options available on the iPhone. You can airdrop a segment, share via text message, email, WhatsApp, or any of the communication apps on your phone. You can also save the entire exam by pressing the Save button on the segment menu. At this point, you can either search for an existing patient into which you can add the current exam, or you can create a new one. To search for existing patients, simply start typing the name of the first or last name of the patient. By pressing on the plus sign, you'll be able to create a new patient profile. If you tap the plus sign, in the next screen, fill out the patient's first name, last name, and set the date of birth and gender. Optionally, you can add a patient photo and any other description about the patient on this screen. Press Done to finish creating the patient profile. To save the exam, now simply press the Save button or discard to get back to the exam screen. Within the segment pop-up menu, there is also a crop option. The crop icon allows you to edit the recording to remove the irrelevant sounds of the beginning or the end of the segment. Simply click the crop icon and then move the parentheses to the length desired and then press the green check at the top to confirm the crop. Additionally, to play a recording, ensure you have headphones paired with your device and then press the green play button at the top right to listen to the recorded segment. Press the gray stop button when desired. You can also make notes on specific locations of the recording. Moving the green slider, you can choose where to annotate a recording. Select the note item from the segment menu. Now you can mark a point of interest on the visual representation of the recording. You can use one of the predefined acronyms S1 first heart sound, S2 second heart sound, ESM early systolic murmur, and others to associate with a specific point. You can also add a text note specific to that point as well. Notice once you press the green check mark to save the annotation, it appears on the phonocardiogram where the green slider was. You can also add some notes for the entire segment by clicking the square button with the pin. This segment note applies to the entire segment and not just a specific point such as the annotations do.